Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see linked devices on WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to see all linked devices on WhatsApp, then you need to open WhatsApp app. Now here you need to press on the three dots. Now here you will find linked devices. Press on it. Now here it will show a list of all the devices on which your WhatsApp is linked. So by pressing on the device, here you will find option to log out. So if you don't want to link to this device, then you need to press on log out. Press on log out again. So friends, like this you can see list of linked devices on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.